Disgraced Hollywood movie producer Harvey Weinstein is seeking the dismissal of sexual assault charges against him. That is according to a new document seen by CNN. Weinstein's defense team claims that dozens of emails show that the woman he allegedly raped was not a victim, but in fact a consensual sexual partner, and says prosecutors failed to show that email evidence to the grand jury. CNN's Chloe Milas is following developments on this. Joins us from New York now. This is a story about Harvey Weinstein that everyone is following around the world. Chloe, tell us the latest on his appeal.
Well, you know, recently Harvey Weinstein pled not guilty to 6 felonies of sex crimes against him. Now, today, his attorney, Benjamin Brafman, filed a 159-page motion to dismiss the entire indictment. And in it, they produce several emails from an unnamed accuser. And they claim that these emails alone will exonerate Harvey Weinstein because it shows that the relationship with a woman who claims that he allegedly raped her years ago was a consensual relationship that went on years after this alleged rape. And I sat down with Benjamin Brafman just hours after he filed this dismissal, and you can take a look at a portion of the interview here. What would you say to people out there that say, well, just because it may seem that in these emails, this accuser continued to have a consensual sexual relationship with Weinstein, that doesn't dismiss a potential incident of rape years before?
In this case, you have one allegation of rape, and this is not a matter of shaming the victim. This is not a matter of going after the victim. We are not attacking this alleged victim for things that she may have done with other people at other times. Our position is that from these emails, you should conclude that she was never a victim, period. And if you are never a victim, then it's wrong for you to falsely accuse someone of rape. And in our judgment, however serious and horrific the crime of rape may well be, I think it's equally horrific to falsely accuse someone of rape when, in fact, these emails demonstrate that there was a loving relationship between these two people that may be offensive to some people now, but didn't amount to rape.
So there are several emails that his team, Harvey Weinstein's team, have published, that we have published on CNN.com. And they do display a joking relationship with this accuser and Harvey Weinstein. But I went on to ask Ben Brafman if there are going to be more emails released from some of these other accusers, because this is just based on one alone. Now, again, this could go to trial in September, but they seem very confident that this is going to be completely dismissed.
Yeah, and key what you just said there, Chloe, was the fact that this is just one accuser, one victim. There are many, many more out there who have allegations against Harvey Weinstein.
Yes, well, I mean, you had about 80 women come forward since the New York Times and the New Yorker published their accounts of misconduct by Harvey Weinstein, to which he has always said that he denies any act of non-consensual sexual conduct with any of these women. Now, in this particular indictment, there are 3 women. We are seeing emails from one of them. They would not say whether or not there was more emails and text messages that would ever be produced. Now, he also went on to say that we shouldn't compare this case to the Cosby case, which just unfolded in front of everyone. And they also say that 2 of the women in this indictment, whose names have been made public, that their charges should be dismissed because they aren't clear on their dates. The dates that they provide are a span of months when they claim that these alleged incidents happened with Harvey Weinstein. So it was a very lengthy interview. There's more to come, but this is something that we're going to watch unfold because it's changing by the minute.
Chloe, thank you.